Hey friends, how are you all doing? So today I am going to show you what to do if apps are not downloading or installing on your Android phone. If you are facing this problem, don't worry, I will explain how to fix it step by step. Before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tag and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming video. Now let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings, go to apps and then open Google Play Store. Now tap on permissions and make sure all permissions are allowed. Give full access to the Play Store. Next, go to storage and tap on clear cache. This will clean the app and fix many common issues. After that, go back to apps again and open Google Play Store. Tap on permissions and allow all permission here as well. Now go to storage. You can also tap clear data if you want, but only do this if you don't need Play service data. Once these steps are done, go back to the Play Store and try downloading any app again. Your app should now download and install successfully. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix app download and installation problem on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and stay connected with Zonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.